In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva to Google Docs. If you create designs in Canva and write in Google Docs, connecting the two can save you time and help your work look more polished. We'll walk through the setup inside a Google Doc, so have any document open. A blank doc is fine. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want the add-on installed. If you're on a work or school account, you might need admin approval before installing new add-ons. With your document open, look toward the top menu bar and click Extensions. This is where Google Docs keeps tools that expand what Docs can do. Hover over Add-ons, then choose Get Add-ons. That opens the Google Workspace Marketplace in a pop-up window. In the Marketplace search bar, type Canva. You're looking for the official Canva add-on that integrates directly with Google Docs. Click on it to open the details page, then select Install. Google will prompt you to grant permission so the add-on can run within your documents. Review the permissions, click Allow to proceed, and wait a moment while it installs. If you're prompted to pick a Google account, choose the one you're using in Docs. Once installation completes, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Canva account to Google Docs. The prompts may ask you to sign into Canva and authorize the connection. Keep the same browser window open as the pages switch, and confirm each step until you see a success message. If you use multiple Canva teams or workspaces, choose the one you want linked. When the connection is done, you can close the Confirmation tab and return to your document. To access Canva from within Docs in the future, go back to the Extensions menu and you'll see Canva listed. Opening it will let you bring your Canva content into a doc without leaving Google Docs. If you don't see the add-on right away, refresh the Document tab and check again. That's it. You've connected Canva to Google Docs and you're ready to streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching.